Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy M13 and let me share with you how to set camera timer on this device. So first of all, let's open the camera app and make sure that you're on the photo mode. So let's simply tap on it if you're, for example, on the video one. And now we can take a look at this option bar, and actually right in the middle we've got the timer option. If you can see this icon, it means that the timer is off, which means that your device will take photos right after touching the shutter button. As you can see, it just took a photo. So in order to set it, just tap on it. And here we've got 3 more options to choose from. So we've got 2, 5 or 10 seconds delay. So let me pick 10 seconds delay, just tap on it. And as you can see, and this icon changed slightly, so thanks to this you can check what kind of a countdown you've got set. And let's simply tap on the shutter button. And let me tap on it again. And as you can see, right now your device will count down from 10, and after that time it will simply take a photo. And of course the same situation will be with 5 and 2 seconds delay. Just tap on it and tap on the shutter button. And of course simply the countdown time will be different. Of course, if you want to turn it off, just tap on this icon without any countdown. So actually this is it. This is how to set camera timer in your Samsung Galaxy M13. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.